Today, when security and defense are of utmost importance, now is the time to discover what Latvia can do. To ensure safety for critical infrastructure in cities, we do not need policemen on every corner. We fight crime with light, artificial intelligence, and sensors. Instead of ensuring safety in the physical world alone, we provide added reassurance in virtual reality and cyberspace, providing cybersecurity of high quality, which is crucial for database decision-making. Instead of being limited to transportation on-road, we provide additional mobility with green energy and durable transport for harsh environments. And we are contributing on land and at sea by deploying drones and unmanned vehicles. Instead of depending on electric power transmissions alone, we deliver gensets wherever they are needed. And as the nation with the fastest internet, we set up the first military 5G test site for emerging technologies in NATO. Instead of wasting time and human resources to analyze radio monitoring, we provide advanced data software. Instead of deploying fleets of satellites, we provide the ground segment for the European Space Agency with global importance. Instead of waiting for superheroes, we make our equipment fire and waterproof and, if necessary, invisible too. In addition to providing everyday food, we provide functional food that is edible for up to 8 years. And instead of producing each item for complex solutions, we configure components and subsystems that work together. If Latvia can come up with solutions like these, just imagine what we can do together. FSDI Latvia. Power of partnership.